True preparedness isn't about fearing the worst, it's about empowering yourself for anything. It's the profound confidence that comes from knowing you can handle a sudden storm on the trail, a wrong turn in the backcountry, or an unexpected emergency at home. The right gear is the foundation of that confidence. It solves critical problems before they become crises, letting you focus on navigation, decision-making, and staying calm. But with an overwhelming flood of products, all claiming to be the best, cutting through the noise is a challenge. Today, we're counting down the top 10 survival gear essentials on Amazon that represent the absolute pinnacle of reliability, innovation, and life-saving utility. And one more thing, make sure to check the link in description for latest price of each gear we talked about. So, let's go. Starting our list at number 10 is the Eamecl 15-in-1 Tactical Survival Shovel. This is not a flimsy garden trowel, it's a formidable, multifunctional survival system, engineered for the most demanding situations. Its core is a rugged head forged from military-grade 3CR13 manganese steel, capable of prying, digging, and chopping without failure. The handle is a marvel itself, an extra-thick aluminum alloy that extends from a compact 18 inches to a full 41 inches, allowing you to dig with serious leverage or collapse it for tight spaces. But its genius is in its integration. It incorporates a compass, a fire starter, a survival whistle, a knife, a saw, a window breaker, and more into a single, indestructible unit. Housed in a compact MOLLE-compatible carrying pouch, this shovel is the ultimate force multiplier for your kit, ready to tackle any task from building a shelter to escaping a vehicle. At number 9, we have the Retevis RB48 Plus Walkie-Talkies. In a true emergency, communication isn't a convenience, it's a lifeline. These GMRS radios are built to ensure that lifeline never breaks. They are engineered for the extremes, boasting an IP67 waterproof rating that lets them survive total immersion, a dust-proof seal, and a ruggedized body that can withstand a 2-meter drop. But their power isn't just in their toughness. With a massive 2,000 mAh battery, they provide up to 18 hours of continuous use, and they scan 11 NOAA weather channels to keep you ahead of dangerous storms. The critical feature is the remote emergency alarm, allowing you to send a distress signal to every other radio on your channel instantly. For coordinated groups, whether off-roading, hunting, or preparing, these radios provide a vital and reliable link when cell networks fail. Coming in at number 8 is the SurviveX large 240-piece first aid kit. This is not a box of Band-Aids. It's a comprehensive mobile medical station designed for genuine trauma response. Curated by first aid experts, it goes far beyond minor cuts, containing professional-grade supplies for severe wounds, sprains, fractures, and burns. Its organizational system is brilliant, with supplies sorted into color-coded labeled compartments, so you can find exactly what you need in a high-stress moment without frantic searching. The game-changing inclusion is its innovative zip-stitch wound closure strips, a non-invasive way to securely close lacerations without needles, drastically reducing scarring and infection risk. Housed in a MOLLE-compatible mountable bag, this kit provides the peace of mind that you can stabilize a serious injury and get help. At number 7 spot on our list is the Imodomio 2-person emergency survival shelter. This ultra-compact shelter is your first and best defense. Made from durable PET mylar, it reflects a staggering 90% of your body heat back to you, creating a vital microclimate to ward off hypothermia. It's utterly lightweight, weighing just 10 ounces and packing down to the size of a soda can, yet it unfolds into a fully waterproof and windproof 2-person shelter or emergency bivy sack. The kit includes everything for rapid deployment: 20 feet of high-strength reflective paracord and a 120 decibel emergency whistle that can signal for help over a mile away. It's the most critical piece of insulation and shelter you can carry, and its minimal size means there's no excuse not to have it in your pack. Landing at number 6 is the Tan Ren Damascus fixed blade hunting knife. In the world of survival, your knife is your most trusted partner. This stunning piece is where flawless functionality meets heirloom quality craftsmanship. The blade is crafted from high-quality Damascus steel, known for its incredible edge retention, toughness, and beautiful, distinctive patterning. It's a full-tang design, meaning the steel runs the entire length of the handle, providing unmatched strength and balance for demanding tasks like batoning wood or processing game. At number 5 spot is the Titorld 14-in-1 Survival Kit. This kit earns the perfect balance of comprehensiveness, quality, and incredible value. It is the essential foundation upon which every survival kit is built, addressing the core survival priorities: shelter, water, fire, and navigation. For just $29.99, you get a meticulously curated set of stainless steel tools: an emergency blanket, a fire starter, a multi-use spoon/fork, a compass, a wire saw, a flashlight, a paracord bracelet, and fishing gear, all housed in a waterproof case. It's the ideal starter kit for a beginner and a perfect compact supplement for an expert's bug-out bag. It's the gift that expresses care and concern in the most practical way possible. Because ultimately, survival isn't about having one magic tool. It's about having a system of reliable fundamentals. The Titorld kit is that system, making it the most critical and accessible piece of gear on our list. Securing the number 4 spot is the Sudrov 42,800 mAh solar charger power bank. This device solves the modern survivor's biggest dilemma: staying powered when the grid is down. Its colossal 42,800 mAh capacity can recharge a smartphone over 10 times, providing a week or more of power for GPS, communication, and light. Its brilliance is in its connectivity and versatility. It has 4 built-in cables: Type-C, Lightning, micro USB, and a USB-A input, eliminating the need to carry extra cords. It can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously via wired and 15-watt Qi wireless charging. Beyond power, it's a rugged outdoor tool with a dual brightness LED flashlight featuring SOS and strobe modes, and it's built to be waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. It is the ultimate portable power station, ensuring your critical electronics never go dark. Breaking into the top tier at number 3 is the ZENHOSIT multifunctional folding tactical shovel hatchet combo. This product is the absolute zenith of all-in-one survival tools. It's not just a shovel, it's a complete 18-piece survival workshop that folds into a single organized carrying case. The core is a heat-treated, high-carbon steel shovel that transforms into a hoe, with a separate 3CR13 stainless steel hatchet for serious wood processing. The extensions allow it to grow from a compact 19 inches to a full-size 40-inch tool. But the magic is in the accessories: a LED flashlight, a 10-in-1 screwdriver set, a hunting knife, a multi-tool, gardening shears, a compass, and an emergency whistle. This single kit provides the tools for building, repairing, hunting, signaling, and navigating. It is the ultimate grab-and-go solution for your vehicle or base camp, prepared for any scenario imaginable. Earning the number 2 position is the Parcil Distribution Full-Face Respirator Gas Mask. In a world where threats aren't always visible, this gear provides a critical layer of defense for worst-case scenarios. This isn't a costume piece, it's a CE-tested professional respirator designed to protect against organic vapors, particulates, and airborne chemicals. Its full-face design offers a 200-degree field of view and ANSIZ 87.1 impact-resistant lens, protecting your eyes and lungs simultaneously. Advanced anti-fogging technology and a built-in voice diaphragm ensure clear vision and communication while wearing it. With a secure 5-point head harness and included filters, this mask is essential preparedness for industrial accidents, wildfires, or any situation where air quality is compromised. It's a sobering but profoundly responsible piece of gear that prioritizes your ability to breathe safely. At number 1 is the Greeshow Electric Portable Water Filter. This device is a monumental leap in water purification technology. It compresses the power of a modern water filtration system into a device that fits in the palm of your hand. Using a 0.01 micron 5-stage filtration system, it removes 99.9999% of bacteria and particles with the simple press of a button. No pumping, no waiting. Its self-sufficiency is its genius. It recharges via solar power, USB, or a hand crank, making it utterly independent of the grid. It doubles as a 3,000 milliamp hour power bank for your devices and features an emergency SOS light. With the ability to filter up to 264 gallons per cartridge, it provides the ultimate peace of mind. The guarantee of safe, clean drinking water from almost any freshwater source on Earth. From the communication security of the Retevis radios to the life-saving hydration of the Greeshow filter, each of these products embodies the principle of true preparedness. It's not about paranoia, it's about empowerment. It's about choosing gear that grants you the confidence to adventure further, respond effectively, and protect what matters most. We hope this list has given you a clear roadmap for building your ultimate survival kit. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.